How to extract text from an image on Windows. Go to Start, search for Snipping Tool, and then make sure to select Snipe an image here, the camera icon, and then go to New. You need also to activate Snipe area, which is rectangle, and then go to New. And when you use the rectangle, you can select any part of the image with the text, take a screenshot of it, and come back to the Snipping tool, then go to the text actions here in the middle, and then when we press on it, it will recognize the text in the image and make it selectable. So now I can select the text, I can just copy the text, and then here go back to search bar to see if it works. You can do it even with website. So if there is a website that doesn't allow you to copy the text from it, you can use the snapping tool to copy the text from it. Just make a screenshot of the content that you want to copy it and come back here to the snapping tool and use text actions to extract the text.